Stop using boring PowerPoint templates. Over the past year, we have seen dozens of AI presentation generators. Most of them promise to create an entire presentation in seconds, but here is the problem. They are fast, yet the final slides still look like they were made by AI. You still end up changing layouts, replacing images, fixing charts, and spending another hour making everything look professional. Today we are testing Doki AI, an AI presentation maker that focuses on something much more important than speed: presentation quality. It even supports MCP, meaning AI assistants like Claude Desktop and Codex can generate presentations directly for you. Let's see if this is finally the AI presentation tool worth using. Welcome back, everyone. If you are new here, I regularly test the newest AI tools to see whether they are actually useful in real life. Today we are looking at Doki AI. Unlike traditional AI slide generators, Doki AI is designed for professionals. Whether you are building client presentations, marketing plans, sales decks, training materials, or even classroom presentations, the goal is not just creating slides quickly. It is creating presentations that are polished enough to use immediately. Let's jump in. Creating a presentation is incredibly straightforward. All I have to do is describe my topic. I will type "the future of artificial intelligence in business." After selecting a style, Doki AI begins generating the entire presentation automatically. Not only does it create the content, it also builds the structure, chooses visuals, creates charts, and organizes everything into a presentation that actually tells a story. This is where Doki AI immediately feels different. Most AI presentation tools simply fill templates with text. Doki AI actually pays attention to design. The layouts are clean, the typography is balanced, the spacing looks intentional, images match the content naturally. Nothing feels cluttered or randomly generated. Honestly, these slides look much closer to something created by a professional designer than a typical AI tool. One feature I really like is the built-in data visualization. Instead of manually creating charts inside PowerPoint, Doki AI automatically generates professional-looking graphs, flow diagrams, logic charts, and even smooth animations. If you are presenting business reports, marketing analytics, sales performance, or research data, this saves a huge amount of time. More importantly, the information becomes much easier to understand. One thing the Doki AI team emphasizes is commercial-ready quality, and after testing it, I can definitely see why. These presentations do not have that obvious AI look. The structure feels logical, content does not overflow, the layouts remain consistent throughout the presentation. If someone showed me these slides during a meeting, I honestly would not assume they were AI generated. Now let's talk about one of Doki AI's biggest new features: MCP integration. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. In simple terms, it allows AI assistants like Claude Desktop, Codex, and other MCP-compatible AI tools to generate presentations directly inside their workflows. Imagine asking your AI assistant research this topic, write a business proposal, and create a presentation. Instead of stopping after writing the content, your AI assistant can now generate an entire presentation through Doki AI automatically. In other words, Doki AI becomes the presentation layer for AI agents. This is a really exciting step toward AI automation. Another feature that is especially useful for businesses is custom template upload. If your company already has branding guidelines, you only need to upload your presentation template once. After that, every AI-generated presentation automatically follows your brand. Company colors, fonts, logos, everything stays consistent without extra editing. If you regularly create presentations for clients, this feature alone could save hours every week. Even after the presentation is generated, you are still in complete control. You can edit every slide, replace content, change colors, switch themes, adjust layouts, and once everything looks perfect, export the presentation as a PowerPoint file. The exported presentation works with Microsoft PowerPoint, Google Slides, and Apple Keynote, so you are never locked into one platform. I think Doki AI is best suited for business owners preparing client presentations, marketing teams creating campaign decks, consultants delivering reports, teachers building classroom presentations, course creators making educational content, sales teams preparing pitches, and researchers organizing findings. Basically, anyone who wants professional presentations without spending hours designing slides manually. After spending time with Doki AI, I think its biggest advantage is not how fast it creates presentations. It is how professional the final result looks. The layouts, animations, charts, typography, and overall presentation quality feel much closer to designer-made slides than typical AI-generated presentations. And now with MCP support, your AI assistant can even create presentations for you as part of an automated workflow. If you are looking for an AI presentation maker that focuses on real business quality instead of just speed, Doki AI is definitely worth checking out. If you would like to try Doki AI yourself, you will find the link in the description below. If you enjoyed this review, do not forget to leave a like, subscribe for more AI tool reviews every week. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.